Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today topic is why we have to connect fuse always in the phase terminal, not in neutral. Before that, what is fuse? Fuse is a safety element which will prevent the circuit from fault current.
Even MCB also a fuse. MCB is nothing but miniature circuit breaker, which is also known as trip switch. The switch is used to protect our domestic loads from the fault conditions. Before that, we have to understand some fundamentals of fuse. So here from this scene you can get some ideas. The fuse consists of two major parts. First one is base and the next one is fuse carrier. Yes, here is the simple example circuit to demonstrate why we have to connect fuse always in the phase terminal. Before that, we need to know how we have to select the fuse value. So the fuse value depends on the wattage of the load and the operating voltage of the load. For this example, I have taken 1 HP water pump, which is equal to 746 electrical watts. So the fuse value obtained from the above calculation. For this example load, the value of the fuse is about 4 ampere. To understand this better, here I have given 3 cases of operation. The first case is normal operation. Here the circuit is closed from phase terminal to neutral through fuse and switch. Once the switch is turned on, the phase is supplied to the pump and it reaches the neutral terminal. This is the way the circuit is getting closed. The calculation for actual current drawn by the motor. So from the calculation we can find out the current taken by the motor is only 3.2 ampere, but we have chosen the fuse value as 4 ampere. The fuse value must be 1.25 times higher than the actual amount of current drawn by the load. Here the fuse is live, so the supply is coming from phase and it reaches the fuse. So from the fuse it goes to the switch. So once we are turning on the switch, the supply goes to the pump. One more thing, the neutral is already connected with the load. So when the phase is connected to the pump is start to working. The fuse will activate when the fault current arises in an electrical circuit. Here I have listed some of the causes which will increase the fault current in an electrical pump. Now consider from the above said any one of reason the motor's current get increasing. When the increasing current crosses the 4 ampere, the fuse is blown up from the electrical circuit and it saves the load from the damage. Now consider the last case. Here I have connected the fuse in the neutral terminal. The pump is connected to the phase terminal through the switch only, and also the neutral is connected with the 4 ampere fuse. We have to mind one thing, the actual current drawn by the electrical pump is 3.24 ampere only. Here the circuit is getting closer like from the phase, the neutral path through switch, load and finally through the 4 ampere fuse. Normal condition, the load will consume only 3.24 ampere. When the fault occurs in the load, which will increases the amount of current taken by the load. At this moment, the current starts to increasing. When the current crosses the 4 ampere, the fuse connected in the neutral path will blow from the circuit. So the load will get the absence of neutral supply. But we have to mind one thing here, the phase is always connected with the load through the switch. Due to the absence of neutral, the pump won't rotate. At the same time, the switch won't indicate any power flow inside the circuit. In this scenario, a human mind may think the load is not working due to the absence of electrical supply, and also they may try to touch the load or switch with their naked hand. When the person touches the pump terminals or switch terminals, the neutral path obtained by the pump through the human body. So the human body definitely will have the shocking experience. Now we are come to the conclusion. My suggestion and the electrical organization suggestion that we have to always connect the fuse in the phase. If you are connecting the fuse in the neutral, definitely a human will get the shocking experience. So we have to connect the fuse always in the phase terminal to save the human life. So from this video, stay aware and stay safe. This will lead a safe living. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. And if you end up informative with this video, please consider subscribing. And if you have any queries and or if you want any technical videos like this, please put it on the comment box below. Thank you friends.